He's not even looking at me. Imagine. All right, mate.
Hello.
You okay? Sister, car keys on the door. Your car keys on the door.
Sorry?
Car keys on the door.
Car keys.
I'm joking, I'm joking.
What, mate? What's the matter?
You're right.
Yeah, you.
I'm good. I'm trying to change a car
Change my car?
into a Ferrari. It's an experiment. I'm working on an experiment.
Make it a black one. I don't like red.
You know, a black Ferrari.
Yeah, black one, mate.
Okay.
Cheers, mate. When I wake up in the morning, you better be a Fiat.
Now I'm going to do it straight away now, but I think
Away. Oh, go on then.
no, the battery, or maybe the battery. I don't know. Or maybe the experiment is not successful yet.
No, mate. No.
I'm sorry, mate.
All right, mate. At
We'll
least you
try.
tried
We'll
for me.
try next time.
At least you tried for me, mate.
I'm sorry, mate.
All right, mate. You have a good
I'm
one.
joking. You too, mate. See ya.
Take care.
You too. Hello. Hello. He's a old lady following you.
Old lady.
Old lady following you.
Which old?
He's a following you, old lady.
What you mean, old lady?
Yes. Old lady is following you next to you.
I don't understand.
Eh?
I don't understand. Old lady follow me.
Yes,
Which
next to you, standing.
Where was it? Where is she?
He's standing next to you. You don't see?
What are you talking about?
He's standing next to you.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yes. He's standing next to you. She's following you.
Why you saying
Watch.
like that?
Watch.
Why you saying to me like that?
Because I see. He's
Are you okay?
be careful, be careful, yeah? I see dead people. Don't be
You call
scared.
staff?
Don't be scared.
No.
He's standing next to you there. Sorry.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. I told you. You hear the sound? I told you. I'm joking, mate. Brother, I'm sorry, mate. I'm joking. It's a prank. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, nice.
I'm sorry. It's a prank. I'm doing a prank. Sorry about ghosts. I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
It's the sorry. Have a good day, brother. He's not even looking at me. Imagine. All right, mate.
Hello.
You okay?
Sorry.
No. I'm just
What?
experiment.
Experimenting on me?
Yes.
You mean you're trying to get me to be controlled?
No. Make you 30 years younger.
To make you what?
30 years younger.
30 years younger.
But the experiment is not complete yet.
How long will it take to take another 30 years probably?
I'm still working on it. So I'm just trying. The first guy to try is you,
So
to make old people young.
after this I might be older, you
No, younger. You'll
No,
be
I'll
younger.
older because it's taken a while, you see.
No, I'm trying now.
Yeah,
to
but
change you
as
now.
you're doing that, I'm getting older.
Well, let's hope it works soon.
if it works, it has to work. It makes me younger 30 years. Otherwise, I'm going to charge you.
Maybe the battery is dead. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We'll try next time. I'm so sorry about that. But you look young anyway and healthy. Age is just a number.
Well, I was just at the barber's now. I
Yeah.
asked him how much it would cost to
Yeah,
trim it.
yeah.
And I'm looking for an ATM machine.
Yes.
I'm going to get the cash to do that.
Okay, okay.
So,
There is a
yeah.
cash machine down there.
I know, but they don't take my card.
Ah.
My card is Revolut.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
Revolut.
Yeah, yeah, Revolut. I've heard of it.
It's,
Yes,
this
yes,
new
yes.
banking system.
Okay, okay.
That tells me on my mobile. as
Oh,
soon
right.
as anybody draws out cash.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that way I know when everybody is using my card.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You see?
So what you gonna do now?
Okay. So is this all you stopped for? Is to make me younger?
Yes, I was trying to make you younger so you can enjoy life more.
No, I don't think so. I think I enjoy life when I'm older, not when I'm younger.
Really?
My experience.
So you can have more time to enjoy whatever you missed.
Not only that, you see,
I'm
there's a-
joking.